Yeah, Dan Healy here on my left, on guitar, also co-writer on the album. Thank you, Dan, for flying in. Nice that you made it, nice that you turned up. On my right, Greg Bowen on guitar. Thank you, Greg. So we got a couple more songs and then we got to hit the road. We got to fly back to London. But thank you very much for being here tonight. Thanks for turning up. Enjoy the rest of your evening. This is one of the songs from the album. This is called She Knows Me. I sung 1,000 love songs, never understood what I said. It's not to say there were not good songs, I just didn't know what love meant then. Guess at times it's not really easy to hide behind 1,000 eyes that were blind, now I see for the man I always knew I was. Let it rain on me. With you I need no shelter. I have all I need to protect us from whatever may come to be. And when I'm tired of guessing, she knows. She knows. She knows. I have been so many places, but none I truly ever see. I was just packing empty cases, others have been around for me. There's a lighthouse in the fall, shining brightly for us all. When you see the light, you gotta be willing to fall. To fall, let it rain on me. With you I need no shelter. I have all I need to protect us from whatever may come to be. And when I'm tired of guessing, she knows. She knows. Let it rain on me. With you I need no shelter. I have all I need to protect us from what